right. It's 6:35 p.m. here, California time. And again, it's Saturday again. And we're doing this short live presentation or a little bit know what is Live Good all about. Konting kwentuhan. If you want to know something and want to learn something in Live Good that will really help you to be healthy and at the same time to earn income, this is the right page that you should be in today. Um, Hello, everyone. It's weekend, so everybody's doing their errands. Busy po ako. But like si Coach Lola, and at the same time, I'm still doing my work at home kasi nag-overtime ako. So it's been busy this past few weeks. But we try to, find time to do Live Good because hindi mo naman pwedeng, you cannot turn your back on Live Good, especially if you are benefiting from this company with all the products that they are bringing in the market. And like us, affiliates, members of Live Good, we really like, having this around, and we're trying to share with you why we are here in Live Good. Okay, Coach Lola. By the way, my name is Medi Parahele, and I'm here with Coach Lola on Saturdays because part-time ko lang po ito. So I can do this as, you can do this also part-time, full-time, whatever you want. Okay, Coach Lola, ikaw na.
Hey, everyone. Ako, ito, katatapos lang po sa kusina. Nandito tayo sa bahay. Of course, Saturday naman. Si Tita Lola is retired na tayo. Nandito lang tayo sa bahay. That's why we can support you in this business full-time. And nai-enjoy po namin itong business na to dahil napakagaan, pinakamura sa lahat ng negosyo at napaka-supportive po ng ating corporate team, no? Kaya nananawagan kami sa mga tao na retired na katulad ko, especially lahat ng seniors, no? Kahit sa bansa, sa buong mundo, maganda pong tingnan natin itong negosyo na to na hindi lang pang kung negosyo yung iniisip natin but actually for ourselves, no? Kasi po, syempre sa mga tumatanda, marami na tayong mga nararamdaman, di ba? So, tutulungan namin kayo kung paano maging healthy at kung paano maging sexy, 'di ba? 'Di ba, Coach? Kwento-kwentuhan lang po kami ngayon, hindi kami magpe-present. We have our presentation also dito sa page ni Coach Medi if you would like to browse back. Meron po kami mga past presentation, yung overview ng Live Good Business. Meron din po kami sa Facebook at meron din kami sa loob ng aming Facebook group. Ang tawag po sa amin ay Global Income Builder Team. Just go there. Meron po kaming questionnaire doon na sagutin po ninyo para ma-accept namin kayo because if you will not answer those 3 questions, hindi po kayo ma-accept sa loob ng Global Income Builder Team or what we call GIVE Team. Yan. Ano ba pagkikwentuhan natin?
Okay. Marami. A lot of people are asking. Usually we start with here kasi a lot of new affiliates and members with Live Good, they will ask you, how long have you been with Live Good? How do you promote Live Good? Are you benefiting from this? Usually, I don't know if you're getting those kind of questions. And then they want to connect with you. Maybe we can connect because Live Good. And here you are. You can always go here and follow us in our page. And you can. I try to answer. Sinasagot ko yung iba if I have time. But please, those people that I can't respond right away, pardon me because if I am at work, I can answer the questions. But usually that's the usual question. They ask me, "Oh, how long have you been with Live Good?" Or how do you promote Live Good? So yun ang usual question nila, Coach. So sinasagot ko, I do both. Sabi ko, I use the products to promote the Live Good kasi I cannot just bring the product online and saying that I have this product and if I'm not using it, why do you have to say it? Dapat it should come from you, and within your heart, that you are using the product and it is effective. That's why. So that's why I respond to them. Ganon. I'm using the
Yeah.
product and promoting it.
Yes, that's the very first thing you need to do para yung effect. At totoo ba yung effect? Maganda ba yung effect sa atin, no? Tsaka, number one thing na napapansin ko sa mga ibang tao na medyo ayaw nila sa ganitong negosyo with the products, no? At sa tingin ko, akala nila mahal. No? Kasi nasanay sila doon sa mga company previous companies natin na nakikita na talagang 100,000, 100 $100 ang isang can, ang isang product, 80 to 100 plus. Yun yung mga common na mga nag-businesses na nag-open before. So gusto nating ipaalam sa kanila na ang Live Good po ay kakaiba. In a way na high quality na yung products natin, tapos super affordable pa. Para po kayong bumibili ng almost factory price eh. Kung ikukumpara ko, 'di ba? Yung ikukumpara ko katulad ng Super Greens nga na paborito natin. Yung dati ko mga binibili talagang times 3, times 5 sa ibang company, and then sa grocery shelves, no? Ano pa, yung yan, takot silang akala nila pag nag-join ka ng Live Good, katulad ng dati, na naku, pabibilhin lang ako dyan ng product. Naku, patatambakan lang ako sa bahay, which is true. Merong isang company which is start with letter M. Monthly kasi, may quota sila. Monthly, kailangan nilang bumili sa ibang company. And sabi tuloy nung ibang nag-join sa akin dito sa Live Good, naku, doon po sa company na yon, parang bodega ng bahay ko dahil kailangan mong bumili buwan-buwan. Now, with Live Good, guys, kung ngayon nyo lang narinig, kayo po ang bibili sa gusto nyong time at kung ano yung product na gusto nyo. Ganon siya. Isa yan sa factor na advantage ng Live Good, di ba, Coach?
Yeah. Just buy it whenever you need it. Don't. That's why this is the difference with the other company. Na you're required to buy the products, and it will be delivered to you every month. Nai-stock sa bahay mo, wala ka ng storage. And then to the point that you're not using the products anymore kasi nga every month hindi mo naman na po uubos, something like that.
Tsaka yung mga product na hindi mo naman kailangan, talagang pinipilit sa'yo, di ba?
Yeah. Dito sa atin, sa Live Good, kung ano lang yung gusto mong product, you can afford, just buy it. Kasi it will help you. At hindi ka mag-i-stock ng madami. Just like, dumating lang yung order ko yesterday na product. So, I do it, minsan, sunod-sunod, every month, minsan, every other month ako nag-o-order ng mga products na, yung regular na ginagamit namin ng husband ko. So, yeah, that's the good thing about with Live Good. Walang auto-shipment. Kasi every time you subscribe or on something, yun ang nakakatakot, di ba? Yung automatic, bigla ka na lang magugulat, oh my God, na meron palang monthly delivery to. Doon ka pa talaga magugulat. But that's the reason why I like with Live Good kasi whenever you just need it, then just order it. But ang Live Good, meron yata silang subscribe and save na sinasabi sa website.
Yeah, much better. Aside from yung membership price natin na nakakamura tayo, with Live Good kasi nakakabili ka na ng maraming products kasi nga sa kamurahan, 'di ba? Hindi katulad noon, isang product lang napibili ko sa isang company. Dito, meron pa silang ginawa aside from makakapag-avail ka ng membership price, meron silang auto ship din. Kung gusto mo lang, para mas makamura ka pa uli. So, double ang mangyayaring discount mo dahil as a member, may discount ka na. Tapos kung gusto mo pa nung talagang ginagamit mo naman yung regularly, like yung vitamin D3, yung magnesium, tsaka multivitamins, yung tatlo lang na yon pwede mo nang i-auto ship para makamura ka pa uli kasi there will be another, I think 5% discount. Diba?
Yeah,
ang laking kamurahan. Yeah. So 25 itong 3 products na minention ko, Coach Medi, 27.95 lang, tatlong products. Pumunta ka ako sa grocery, tiningnan ko yung multivitamins ng, ewan ko kung pwede natin sabihin, siguro hindi naman si CEO nagsasabi ng mga brand, ano, yung Aleve, yung isa pa, yung Aleve at saka yung isang famous Nature's Way. Tiningnan ko yung likodan, yung supplement packs. Oh my God. Alam mo, halos 1/4 lang yung content ng ingredients nila na naka-identify doon against ito compare sa ating Live Good multivitamins. Sabi ko, wow, this vitamins from the grocery store, $25 to $29. Ito tatlo na ibinibigay ko sa'yo. Tatlong product, vitamin D3, magnesium, and the multivitamins natin. Tapos 27.95 lang.
Yeah.
Imagine mo yun.
Malaking savings, ano?
Oo, katulad nga si CEO kahapon, di ba, na-post tayo sa Fox News 5, no? Yung San Diego. Nasa magazine tayo, guys. Naku. So, nakakatuwa na nakikita natin si CEO, very, siya talaga, enthusiastic, no? Sa pagpopromote ng ating company. So, nasa Newswire na po tayo. And sabi nga nung isang host, nung nag-interview sa kanya, with that magnesium, alam mo, magmula nung gumamit siya ng magnesium, doon lang niya naranasan na nananaginip siya ng magaganda. Siguro, siyempre, ang isang sa effect ng magnesium is yung marirelax ang body mo, no? Yung isip mo, to avoid cramps. And 300 chemical reaction in our body, di ba, nagagawa ng magnesium. Kaya, very effective po ang product ng Live Good. At kung gusto nyo mag-save. Yan.
Yeah, alam mo yung magnesium, every time I talk to my coworker, they ask me, hindi ako makatulog sa gabi, I have a problem. So that's the one that I recommend. Mag-magnesium ka, take the magnesium kasi it really help you. And they're really happy nung natatry nila. Sabi nila, oh yeah, I can sleep well now because of magnesium. So for those people who are having a hard time to sleep at night, give it a try with this magnesium that we have in the market with Live Good. And it's only, I think it's only $9.95, right? And this is the kind of product that we have.
Oh, no, $8.95.
$8.95. See, can you imagine that?
Mm-mm.
For $8.95, you can have that magnesium na. It's different from the other products in the market kasi makikita mo yung quality talaga. You can see the difference, the quality, how it is being, produced by Live Good. So, very affordable at napakataas ng quality and very effective. That's the good thing about Live Good. Nasaan na yung aking magnesium dito?
Yeah, so yun yung isang basic pa kung gusto nilang makapag-save. But you can buy that individually, guys, no? Now, alam mo, wala kaming tulak kabigin. Wala kaming tulak kabigin sa lahat ng products namin. When we started here in Live Good, ang products ng Live Good is only 9. And now we have almost 50 products here and growing every month. Meron pong nala-launch. At gosh, guys, kung ngayon nyo lang narinig ang Live Good, ang aming pong mga products ay formulated by our very own doctor, a corporate team, a co-founder, no? Doktor po, hindi lang kami nagbukas ng kumpanya just because lalang meron lang product na hinuhugot kung saan. All our products po, guys, may certificate of analysis, no, na hindi nyo maihihingi sa ibang company. Wala silang ipakikita sa inyong certificate of analysis. Nasa ilalim po yan ng aming website. Bawat products na ilalunch, hindi po yan papasakay sa aming formulator, si Dr. Ryan, kung yan po ay may lead or kung yan ay may heavy metals, kung yan ay may toxic ingredients. Hindi po yan papasa sa ating formulator. Diba?
That's true. Oo, tama. Lahat talaga. All the products na nakikita nyo dito sa Live Good. Kaya that's why we're very confident in promoting the products of Live Good kasi nga, very effective talaga. Diba?
Yeah,
So,
nakakatuwa lang na the other day pala nag-post ako, Coach Medi, baka hindi mo pa nakita, nag-post ako about yung Consumer Reports website, that is consumerreports.org. Nag-share sila ng 23 protein shake, protein powder drinks na nasa market, no? Na full of toxic, full of heavy lead metals, no? May iba ganitong percentage, merong iba na I think tatlo 'yon na medyo talagang to avoid, no? Imagine guys, yung sinisira sa katawan natin yung mga lead na yan, no? Yung kidney mo, yung organ mo, without you knowing, no? Kasi kapopost lang po niyan last October 14. So luckily, nakita din niya ni CEO, na-mention din niya, I think na the other day sa main Facebook page ng Live Good guys. We have our Facebook page as well. Nakakatakot po yan, 23 guys, puntahan ninyo. Ayoko na lang i-mention dito, pero nakikita ko ang ibang tao gumagamit po lahat ng shake na yon. I think yung isa is Ensure. Ayun, very famous ang
parang may nakita akong post po about that, but I have to go back.
gosh.
Ensure, di ba yan yung nabibili sa Costco para sa mga
Binibigay ng doktor yan, yung Ensure na yan sa matatanda sa Pilipinas. Ako, meron palang lead yan, ano? Oh, batiin muna natin yung ating mga guests. Naku, may nagko-comment na dito. Naman natin.
Kita mo dyan?
Yeah, dito sa comment section mo, dito sa kanan ng ating...
Okay. Alright. So, nakita ko dito si Jasmine de Galicia. Good morning po, watching from Philippines. Good morning po. Thank you for watching. Stay with us, ha? Hanggang mamaya. Sandali lang po.
Si Rose Ikeda from Japan. Thank you for watching, Coach. Ako mapakasipag. Ito yung mga napapasama sa cash raffle natin every end of the month. No?
Hello,
kung gusto nyo
Coach.
mag-join sa amin. Si Coach Monina Jingji, Jaja. Hindi ko po alam pronounce yung surname. Saan po kayo? Kapastarlak. Wow.
Okay, pala sila. Yes. Okay. Monina Jing Giaga. Miss Giaga.
Thank you so much. Yan. So mamaya po, kung masishare niyo po ito or matatag ninyo yung mga friends ninyo, itag po ninyo dito sa live natin, ano, para double ang inyong name sa ating cash raffle pag na-share natin yan. Okay? Yeah.
Alright.
So, yung pag-join dito, Coach, baka gusto mong ipaliwanag paano sila mag-join sa iyo.
Okay. So usually when you see something like, if you see someone promoting Live Good, lagi may kasama yan link. Now, when they send you the link, it's either sa email, messenger, text, is bigyan kayo ng link, then click yung link. Yung link na yan yung how to get into Live Good. Meron po yung tour link. Try to watch yung less than 5 minutes video ni CEO to understand what is Live Good. All right? About the compensation and everything. Once that you watch that link, if you feel like that you want to do it, want to try it, mag-click, just go and click to pre-enroll. That's very important, pre-enroll. So you will be on the line already. Kasi if you don't do it, you don't pre-enroll, because of the compensation, it has something to do with compensation days. That's why we are encouraging you to pre-enroll kahit hindi pa kayo ready magbayad. At least you are safe already, that you are already in line. And we can explain this further pag nag-present po kami why we are encouraging you to pre-enroll and then later on join and pay. Once you pay, that's the only time that you're already member of Live Good. Ang Live Good, it's a membership club. As we always say, there is a $10 every month to avail of the products that you want to buy with Live Good at a discounted price at a high quality products. Ang other side ng Live Good membership, ang other side is affiliate. Like us, like Coach Lola, like all the other people that you see, affiliate po kami ng Live Good. because we're promoting Live Good at the same time we're earning money. This is the good thing about, consuming all these kind high quality products. Kumikita ka pa, di ba? So, yun
Right.
ang
Oh,
pag-iisip ng Live Good.
right. So, ano,
Membership.
yes. So, yeah, actually yung affiliate natin, napakamura niyan eh. 'Di ba, coach? Saan ka nakakita
Yeah.
ng meron kang 8 websites na pwede mong piliin kung ano yung gusto mong gamitin with your marketing. No?
Mhm.
Kung may kausap ka na kailangan ng may health issue, ibigay mo yung free health report assessment natin para ma-check niya kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari sa katawan niya. So isang website yan. Meron po kaming matatanggapin din po sa e-commerce website which is your shop. No? Ando na yung lahat ng products, hindi mo na kailangang i-upload yan. Makikita mo yung information ng product, yung price, yung ingredients, kung saan ito mas mabisa. Kasi minsan may nagtatanong, meron ba kayong para sa arthritis, sa gout, rheuma, liver problem, no? Gosh, nakakatuwa po, nandito pong lahat yan sa Live Good. No? And sa one time, $40 po lang, lifetime na yung business mo existing, no? Hindi, wala siyang account expiration, 'di ba?
Mhm.
One time 40, no? Ano ka na, mag-promote ka na, andiyan na, kikita ka na weekly. So kung meron kang benta sa shop mo, weekly yan, automatic na po yun natatanggap ng company. Hindi mo na kailangan tawagan ng company to pack the products. Lako, minsan natutulog ka, kumikita ka ng hindi mo alam, doon magkakaroon ka na lang ng commission the following release, no? Every week po yung release namin, every Thursday. So yun yung ating affiliate side. Now, meron kaming membership side. Gusto mo ba ipaliwanag membership side o napaliwanag mo na ba kanina?
Okay, yung membership side. Okay, paano nga ba yun? Okay, membership side. Okay, if you want to be a member of Live Good, there is a $10 that you have to pay every month. This is like Costco or Netflix or Amazon. If you want to subscribe, diba, because this is subscription, so you have to pay every month, which is only $10 or $9.95. It's very affordable, and as Lola said, it's only, in order to avail of those things, you have to be a member and pay the $9.95 per month. Plus, so $9.95, if you pay the one whole year, di ba, pag $9.95 or $10 times 12, 120. But if you can afford to pay the one whole year, meron kayong 2 months na discount, which is only $99.95 ba yun? Or $99.
Yes, 2 months.
So, wala na kayo po problemahin. Ngayon, if you want to earn, which is, nandun ka na rin lang, you pay only $40. It's a one-time fee that you will have to have. So, in order to earn and make money with Live Good, you avail of those payouts that they gave us. So, $40, one time lang yun and then you get all the websites to promote Live Good. Napakadali.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kasi sa $9.95, bakit ako magbabayad ng $9.95? Doon po kayo magkakaroon ng access sa super low prices. Kasi kung hindi kayo magme-maintain o magbabayad ng $9.95, ang babayaran nyo po sa product ay retail price. Kahit affiliate na po kayo, retail price. Kasi as an affiliate, reseller lang po kayo and consumer, distributor, meron kayong sariling tindahan, online tindahan. Pero sa membership club, meron po kaming exceptional, parang ano ba tawag dito? Hindi ko masabi yung word para amazing, God bless you sis, amazing income generating na passive income. Meron po kaming passive income. So marami po dito yung hindi naman nagre-refer, no? Gumagamit lang sila ng products and then eventually nagkakaroon sila ng commission kasi kasama na po sila sa network. yung network na sinasabi po namin, yun yung binubuo naming mga tao or nagjo-join ng mga tao sa amin. Whoever comes first and become a member, syempre mas makikinabang tayo ahead dun sa mga tao na yon which will be placed under us. No? Hindi po siya mabilis, but nakakatuwa, member ka, pero pinapasweldo ka ni Live Good Monthly. Yun yung aming passive. Kung sa Costco ka lang o sa Amazon ka lang, wala po yung payback, yung inyong membership. No? Walang payback yun eh. So, why will you pay retail price kung kaya mo palang, kung gusto mo palang ng discounted products. Kasi in the long run, guys, kapag nagbabayad tayo ng membership, mas nakakapag-save kayo sa bangko. Kasi mura yung nakukuha yung products eh. 'Di ba? Kaysa sa retail. Yun ang advantage, no? Sa murang-mura na yan, sabi ni Coach Medi, magbayad ka ng 1 taon kung ayaw mo. Sa Costco din, 1 year ang bayad natin, 120.
Wow.
May discount. May discount ba tayo doon ng membership? Wala.
Wala.
Oo. If you pay 1 year, 1 year. Wala tayong 99.95 doon. Diba? Yeah. So I hope nagsisink in sa inyo yung mga tao kasi kung minsan bakit pa ako magbabayad niyan? Kasi nga po, nasanay sila sa ganito, by the way. Nasanay sila sa old company na wala nga namang membership. Pero required kang bumili ng mahal na products wherein naka-built-in na po doon yung excess ng binibili mong product. At tulad ng isang company, Coach Medi na nasalihan ko, 6 years ako doon kasi akala ko yun yung maganda eh. I mean, wala akong alam na ibang compensation plan during those time kasi yun ang gamit ng lahat, no? Yung tinatawag na binary. Tapos, nalaman ko na yung binibili kong vitamin D3 doon na $29 ang isa, Coach Medi. Isa, $29. Dito sa Live Good, $8.50 lang. Diba? 8.50. Matatakot ka bang magbigay ng $9.95 sa Live Good? Halimbawa, ang gusto ko lang bilhin itong D3. Kahit magbabayad ako ng $9.95, D3 lang ang gusto ko, $8.50 plus 9, sabihin na natin $10, $15 lang. Saan ako nakasave? Dito pa din. Kasi $15 lang ang binabayaran ko. $18 lang. Samantalang sa kabila, $29. Tapos sasabihin sa akin, wala naman po kaming membership dito. Hindi ka nag-iisip. Yung utak mo na wala. At 29 binabayaran mo dyan, nakatago yung membership.
Kalahati na yung it costs you 50% na. Kasi kung if you pay $29.95 and then you're paying only 15, kalahati na yon.
Kaya nga, 29 is 30. Tama ka, kalahati yon. Almost $29.95 sis eh. So 30 na nga. Tapos sasabihin mo pa sa akin, ay ma'am, dito wala kaming membership. Duling. Duling ka, no? Nandiyan ka pa. Alam ko nandiyan. I hope nanonood po sila dahil marami pa rin nakakatawa. Sabi nga ni Perbesh yung isang araw, this one is so makulit, no? Yung isang nagme-message sa amin, pilit pa rin kami ini-invite doon sa sinasabi kong $29 ang vitamin D3. Wala pang K2 yun, sis. Sa atin, may D3 na, K2 pa, organic pa. May D3 ko. Yeah, organic.
Order ko lang nasa baba sa akin eh. D3K2, si Bobby, umiinom talaga yun.
Excited ako sa dun sa CBD gummy dito sa US. I know, hindi pwede sa ibang bansa, pero CBD gummies, guys, nagte-take po ako ng CBD ever since. Siguro mga 5 years ago na, drops yan. So, drop. Kesa ngayon, may gummies na tayo, mabibit-bit mo yan kahit saan. Diba? Yeah. Ito pa yung isa, nagugulat ako.
Yung black seed.
Iba pakiramdam sis pag nakapag-black seed ka, umagang-umaga, ito yung inuuna ko ngayon.
Talaga? I'm gonna try that.
Umagang-umaga, yan muna, no? Kasama ng kape ko na nga yan kung tutuusin. Pero you feel something, I don't know why. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-take nito, ay hindi ko alam, yung boss ko pala dito, nag-take na nito, hindi sinabi sa akin. Sabi ko, hey, we launched this. Eto ha. Advertise ko lang sa iba. May nagsabi sa atin sa chatroom na member na bumili siya ng black seed yata sa Philippines. Tapos, ipakita sa akin yung content. Ayan, matuto po kayo magbasa ng content. Yung pala, yung kanyang binili na kasing halaga nito, kalahati lang nung thymoquinone. Yung laman, pagtingin ko, this is guys, 1,000 milligrams. Okay? At
Wow.
5% ang thymoquinone. Hindi ko masyadong ma-pronounce. 5% compare sa nasa market, nasa grocery store, guys. Diyos ko, 0.3%. 5 compare mo sa 0.3 mong binibili dyan. Talaga naman BO kayo. Yeah.
Ano, no? I'm gonna try that.
Yeah,
For immunity yan, protect cells and aging. Sa mga ayaw tumanda.
katulad namin.
Namin. Reduce inflammation, heart health. So, ang dami pala, no? Ang daming gamit.
Actually, may nagtanong sa akin, Coach, ano ba yung bibiling ko? Yung factor 4 na lang ba o yan din? Kasi anti-inflammation din po ito, no? So, ang payo ko, kasi yung factor 4 natin, may turmeric, CoQ10, garlic, and yung omega, diba? Tingnan ninyo, baka itong black seed oil po kasi ito, no? Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kasi baka takot kayo na napakalaki. Hindi po, maliit lang siya.
Maliit lang ba? Kasing laki ng factor 4? Or
D3.
mas smaller?
I think D3 ang kasing halaga nito.
Maliit siya. Kung D3, maliit siya.
Oil po ito oil. Oil siya. So soft gel siya. Kung natitigasan naman kayo, babad nyo muna sa tubig, no? Teka, may factor 4 ka ba? Ito kasi factor 4 ka.
Malaki kasi ang factor 4.
Ay, talaga nabibilao ka na ako. Chinechempohan ko yung
super big.
Tsaka babad mo muna sa tubig. Babad mo muna sa kutsarang may tubig. Yan, malaki. Tingnan nyo yung kay Coach Medi. Malaki po yung factor 4 natin.
Malaki.
Siguro, Coach, 3 beses nito yung factor 4.
Maliit siya.
Maliit talaga. Maliit. So, nakakatuwa ang black seed oil natin.
Bakit ibababad?
Ha?
Bakit ibabad? Diba?
Hindi, yung factor 4, nalalakihan, nabibilaw ko.
Ganon.
Sabi ko, ibabad sa tubig, sandali sa kutsara, lalambot din yan. O kaya sa bibig ninyo, paglaruan ninyo, parang, pag nyo kakagatin, kasi lalabas yung amoy ng natin, anchovies. Alam nyo namang anchovies, mabango yan. Mabango yan, di ba?
Ay, okay. So, ma-order nga ako niyan. Kasi magkano lang yan? Mura lang naman, di ba? It's
parang
14.95. Sinasabi dito, 14.95 ang seed oil.
Okay. Yeah.
And retail price is $19.95. So, $5 off pag member ka. So, I'm gonna try that. And one thing, kasi may tumatagal na tayo, ha? Alam mo, I do believe with these products kasi there are people that I met yesterday during yung celebration ng Filipino-American History Month. If you see my Facebook page, I put, hindi ko pa napopost lahat
hindi ko pa nakita.
An old friend and co-worker na nakita ako, sabi nila, ikaw ba yan? Sabi nila, oh my God. Paano nagugulat sila? Yeah, ako pa rin to. Sabi nila, hindi nila na ako kilala. Sabi ko, mag-good kayo. Supplements, di ba?
Yeah, hindi nila, yung iba, Diyos ko, kung nandito kayo sa Live Good 1 year or 2 years, you never tried the products, guys, you're losing something, okay? You're losing that yung aming feeling, I feel like every day, parang, bumatataba ako, sabi kong ganon. Even that will be very slow. Pero ang pakiramdam mo, guys, iba. Okay? Na lahat po ng products ng Live Good na gamit ko na. So that's why I'm really passionate po to promote this, no. Kahit na lang yung multivitamins, grabe ang kaibahan na nakapag-take ka. Kung kaya mo mag-take ng 2 capsule, i-take mo 2 capsule. Pero kung ang budget mo pang 2 buwan, 60 capsule po 'yon, di pang 2 months gamit mo na. Pero kung namong problema ka sa pambili, di i-focus mo yung iyong yung selling, yung iyong marketing, i-focus mo para makabili ka nitong murang-murang products. Ganon po yun. Walang perang pambili. Dito ko na lang. Tingnan nyo naman ito, guys. 5. Ay, 2, 4, 6, 6 pala. 6 na products, guys. 99.95. Diba? 99.95. 6 na products. Sa Pilipinas, may nagbebenta ng barley grass. Diyos ko, $50 po ang isang product na kailangan mo ng 10, isang buwan. Isang buwan na kailanganin mo yung 50 na yun na isang product, barley lang. Sa Super Greens pa lang, nandito ng lahat ng kailangan mo eh. Nandito na yung barley ninyong napakamahal eh. No? Yung mayaman ng kumpanya, pero ang mga members may sakit pa din, majority.
Itong Super Greens na bago, green na green siya ngayon
Tumaas yung niya kasi nadagdagan siya ng mga ingredients. Tumaas yung yung spirulina, dinagdagan. Dinagdagan ng spirulina. Oo.
Yeah, kaya yung mga Live Good products na yan, okay, it helps you to soften your skin. Okay? Sa mga interesado, why Live Good? Yung skin nyo, as you can see, as we noticed, nanonotice ko, yung skin, smooth skin, tapos yung energy mo, grabe talaga yung energy mo, andyan pa rin.
Yeah.
Plus, yung hair, dahil sa collagen peptides that we're taking,
collagen.
Mag-iba yung growth ng hair mo. Talagang bumabalik. Kung ikaw ay nakakalbo na pag nagkakaedad ka na. As I told you, ate ko nga, andyan na yung in-order niya sa akin, pina-order niya ako.
Ang daming order ng sister mo, ang dami niyang mag-order.
Collagen, tatlong. So, nandyan na. So, talagang, for those people who are, nag-age na tulad natin, take care of yourself. You have to age gracefully. Sabi niya, di ba, coach? Kailangan, wag mong pabayaan ang sarili mo. Kahit talaga wala tayong magagawa, tatanda naman tayo lahat eh.
Kaya nga eh. Ito napansin ko nung hindi ako nagte-take pa ng ng Live Good products, especially yung Super Greens, ang paborito ko. Alam nyo guys, 64 na ang Tita Lola. Itong skin mo sa kamay, okay, naging po ito, yung kulubot na parang papel. Pakiramdam mo papel siya, walang moisture, no? Ay Diyos ko, ayan ayan po yung balat ko. And yung also yung likodan ko with factor 4, yan nawala yung pain ko sa likod na hindi ako makabiling sa kama, ang ganon. Ano ba yun, nagsisimula na yung ating pelvic pain dyan, So nawala po lahat dyan, yung aking stool sa umaga, yung morning thing natin, nagkakaroon ako ng tibi-tibi. Sabi ko, ano kaya ito? Then, ayan, nagsimula tayo sa magnesium, yan, very regular na po yung ating bowel movement, no? So, I hope marami po kayong matulungan na tao. Kung Diyos ko, ang dami natin kailangan tulungan, guys. Aside from
if you want to look younger and look beautiful, mag-Live Good po kayo. And take the supplements. It really helps you to look, stay young. That's all I can say. If people wants to know what our secret, ganun lang po. We'll take the supplements and you can only find here in Live Good. Very affordable po.
Yes, wala na po kayong hahanapin pa. Nandito po lahat sa Live Good. Wag na kayong tumingin ng ibang brand. Nandito na po yung for your weight loss management, muscle building, joint support, brain support, eye support, sexual health, heart health, cardiovascular health, what else, Coach? Skincare set. So, ano pa yung mga categories natin, no?
Madami tayong pwedeng i-share every week. If you want to know more about yung mga ginagamit namin, we can share it to you. Kasi almost all, kaya rin naman nating bilhin kasi mura talaga. Very affordable. Diba?
Right, oo. So kung yan po ay nararamdaman ninyo, meron po tayong yung hirap matulog diyan, ano, sleep support, pain management, stress support, bone support, and hormone for women and men,
Yeah.
testosterone.
Ito,
Gosh, nandito po lahat ng
bumili
kailangan ninyo.
bumili na kayo yung mga menopause. This is really good. And even if for menstrual support, it really helps you. This one.
Menstrual cramps, no? Yung mga dalaga.
Menstrual cramps. Ito po.
Ayan. Okay. So, sa mga gustong mag-join, ayan po yung website ni Coach Medi. Join her. Lifestylewithmedi.com. Napakadali lang po. Sign up automatically. Makakapag access na po kayo sa inyong dashboard. Yun po yung tinatawag naming pre-enrollee dashboard. Iba po ang dashboard ng aming member. Iba rin po ang dashboard ng affiliate member. No? Tatlong dashboard po yan. Sana magtanong kayo sa amin after you sign up. And also, hindi na po kayo mahirapan sa email marketing dahil ang company po ang automatic na nagpa-follow up sa ating mga members na nagjo-join. Napakagaan po ng business natin. No? Hindi po namin, wala po kaming tinatago kasi may nagtanong sa akin isang araw, baka meron pang hidden, hidden agenda or ano. No, wala po. Sinasabi namin sa inyo lahat, the only thing you need to have, $40 one time, at mag-subscribe kayo sa $9.95 dahil nandun po yung bigger perks. Hindi na po namin in-explain sa compensation plan, but you can find our website and a presentation about the compensation plan para maintindihan ninyo bakit may mga yumayaman ng mabilis at bakit merong mga satisfied lang sa products, okay na. Yan.
Alright. Okay, yan na.
Ayan na.
Alright.
So,
thank you so much.
Maraming salamat sa mga viewers and I hope you join us again next time.
Yeah. If you have any question, a message lang po kayo sa amin. We're here to, respond to you, and we'll try our best to give you the best we can to answer your questions. All right. Salamat, Coach.
Maraming
Another
salamat din.
Saturday again. Let's see.
Yes,
Hopefully we can do this again next week.
Okay. God bless you all. Happy Saturday. Happy Sunday sa Asia. Bye-bye, guys.
God bless.
God bless.